Ta-da! Da 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 da! Mukbang! Mukbang! White spot style. First, what I have is a salad. Caesar salad. Yum, yum, yum. Next up, side fry. Side fry. Fry-yi. And I got me a legendary burger. I'll tell you what's inside after. And to top it right off, I got some chicky finger with 3 honey mustard. And I didn't get the triple O, but I got coleslaw. So, and lots of napkins, because who don't love napkins? And I got, it's the vegan chocolate milkshake, and it's like brownie salted caramel. So, all the other ones are chocolate, vanilla, strawberry. So, this one sounds, it's just, it's the best. This is the best one. Because it's got brownies in it, salted caramel, like, compared to yeah, it's the best. So after my last vlog, I realized, wow, I'm like super duper dull, so I'm going to change that up in this one. Okay, so I'm not really gonna dive into the sides. I'm gonna dive into the burger first. So with the legendary burger, I got cheese and lettuce on it. No tomato. I don't like tomato right now. I don't know, it's always a hit or miss. And I don't like pickles. Boom! It's that legendary burger. Gotta take my ring off. So why I'm eating this is I was in Burnaby today, and it was nice. Played some golf with a coworker of mine, and then an old coworker of mine that I got to meet, and then one of their friends. So it was really nice. We did a nice pitch and putt. But my tradition is, and I started this in the summer with a buddy of mine, is after you play golf, you gotta go to White Spot. So, you know what? Because I only had 2 bananas today, I went to White Spot and I ordered all this food. So we're gonna dive in and we're gonna mukbang it up. Yeah. I could eat alone, or I can film myself eating. Yeah. So, alright, let's dive into this. Okay, so it looks good. It looks good. The lettuce is kinda moist. It's alright. For looks, I give it about a 6. Alright, so first bite. I don't know what it is, but their mayonnaise is so good. Relish is dripping out. It's good. Ah, it's really good. With the mayonnaise and the cheese. I'm not a huge dairy guy because I get gassy, but since I have no one here, I'm gonna do this. It's the mayonnaise. The mayonnaise and the meat and cheese all together, it's so good. You get a little crunchiness with the lettuce, but the thing about the lettuce is because it's been in the bag, the travel time here, it got soft. So that's a bit of a downside. And the relish, right? You got the mayo, meat, cheese, and that's one party. And then there's the relish. And it's kind of like the cool guy at the party that's like, he's got good taste, but he's like really introverted. While the meat, cheese, mayo, they're kind of like the really fun people that you're just around, and they're really nice and inviting. And then you got the cool guy that just has great style. That's the relish. That would be the relish at the party. It doesn't look appetizing, but oh, it is. Ah, yes, come eat with me. It's so good. I'm gonna save the last couple bites as as a pairing. So I'm gonna take a bite, and I'm gonna have some milkshake. Take a bite, have some Caesar with some salad. Take a bite, have some fries, just to see the best pairing out of all the things that I got. So, downside, not a fan of the lettuce just because it's so soft. First, I'm gonna try this because it just looks so good. By itself, rate it, and then pair it. Looks, man, I gave this thing like a 10. You can see the caramel at the bottom, right? Oh, so good. I love it. Okay, that's a 10. Everything that it says it has in there, you can taste it all together. Caramel, brownie, vanilla. Like, there's no separation with all those tastes. They're all just combined together to create this beautiful flavor. And it's nice because it's not too cold. It's like liquidy. It's not chunky, not too cold. Oh, it's really good. Take a little stir. Not a huge fan of the paper straws. Okay, side note. Paper straws in a plastic cup. Yeah. Cool. Alright, pairing wise. Oh yeah. Alright, let's pair it. Take a bite of this. Give it a chew. And now this. That's good. Altogether, those two things together, I give it a 20. Out of 20, a 10 for this and a 10 for that, pairing wise. Oh, it's so good. That's so good. And it's vegan. I think it's vegan, but oh man, it's so good. Food is so yummy. So it's nice that they don't stir the Caesar up for you. They give you the portion cups so you can have your own consistency. How much you want. I don't like a lot of sauce. I like it just a little bit. I like to taste the lettuce more and the croutons more. So we'll give it a nice mix. See how this is. Okay, downside, 1 crouton. So I don't know how far that went. This camera just automatically stops, but what I was saying is there's 1 crouton. They gave me 1 crouton. So that's not a huge fan of that. It's a good crouton though. Alright, so let's try this Caesar. Okay. It's too long. Alright, this is that is a long piece of lettuce. Too long for me. It's kind of like a pasta. It's pretty average. Probably give it a 5. But let's pair it with the burger. Yeah, they're way too long. Look at that. That's too long. Okay, it tastes good. The reason why it tastes good is it makes it seem healthy because you get way more lettuce with the burger, and this is good lettuce. This lettuce is better than the nice hot lettuce that was basically melting. So it actually tasted really nice. I'd give it out of 20, a 10 and a 10. That is an automatic. The burger is an automatic 10. I would give the salad probably about a 6. So a 16 overall with the no. 16 might be generous. What should it be? I'm saying, in my mind is saying 13. So we'll just make it a 14.5. 14.5 overall for the salad and the burger. Alright, I'm gonna come back to all of this. Alright, fries. So, growing up, I was never a huge fan of these fries because they're so big and you get such a variety, while like McDonald's is like, poof, like salt, crispiness, it's all like, you just know there's like an average, right? These, it's all over the place. You have like thick fries that are soft, and then you have like skinny fries that are crunchy, and then you got like small fries that are soft, and like it's just all over the place with this. So I was never a huge fan of these fries until I realized that there is so much oil on these fries that you can make hash browns and you can make like really crispy fries with them if you save them. So that is what I do with the fries, and I'm a small crispy fry guy. I like the crispy ones. That's my favorite. That crunch. This is like a total half and halfer. Check that out. Soft and then crunchy. But big advocate for the crunchy fries. It's good. Like that one. So I was supposed to get some Triple O, their famous Triple O sauce with this, but that didn't happen. So, and as a kid I used to sometimes put the fries in the burger. Everyone probably has tried that, so, but we'll pair it. That's so good. So it comes out to like a 12. Not that good. Burger is so good. So I'm gonna finish this burger and then we're gonna move on to the chicken strips. Good burger. It's so good. It's so good. Ah, delicious. Thank you, burger. All right, next. Oops. I'm gonna grab that over. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Okay, chicken fingers. Chicky fingies. Chicky fingies. Alright. So we get 5. They are a decent size. You get 5, and they have a beautiful color on them. Beautiful, just beautiful. This is a beautiful color to have. Beautiful color. So, one more time. Yes, beautiful color. Okay, so I'm gonna just try them by themselves, then I'm gonna try them with this, and then I'm gonna try them with the fry, with the salad, with the... I'll do them by themselves, them with dip, them with this, them with that, and that, and that, and that, and there we go. Then I'll mukbang it up. So we'll open up this just to see that it has come from a factory. Yes, that is not a real color. Okay, but this by itself. Try it. It could be crispier on the outside. Well, it has been sitting for a bit. But, and you know that these are ordered and they come out of a bag. That's okay. I know that they're not made fresh or anything, but they are good. Alright, now, this and dip. Try that. Soak it up. I always ask for so much more dip because it's a good portion, but at some restaurants they give you that little rinky-dink portion cup, and it's like I have like 9 chicken fingers and you give me a small little cup. How am I supposed to get enough dips? Like, it just doesn't. No. Give me 5 portion cups. Give me 10 portion cups. I want more sauce than I just want to have extra. Yeah, so that's why I always order extra. Alright, let's try this before I complain some more. It's good. I would say the finger by itself, probably give it a 6. With dip, with the 2, I don't know yet, actually. It turns into about an 8 because at first you don't taste it, and then it comes in, but it comes in so subtly. Like, this is the taste. You have it, and it's like, okay, everything's normal, and then it just slowly goes up like this to like, that's really good, and then it just kind of goes down like that. I'm starting to get full. It's great. Alright, now I'm gonna try it with the shake. This is gonna just taste good. Okay, seriously, boys and girls, this thing with everything, oh man, it's so good. Okay, at 20 again, delicious. Alright, these two, I forget what the specific name is called. Oh, it's like dippin' in something. It's a special name where it's a combo at White Spot where you get the fingers and fries and the Caesar salad. And it's mainly for old people because it's not old people. It's for the people that are like, I'm kind of hungry, but I'm not starving for like a burger. It's the people that are like, I want to eat a little bit, but I want it to be light. So you order fingers and then you order a salad. When you're just not feeling it, so I'll start with the Caesar first. Woo! I'm getting full. Too long. That's way too long. Look at that. Look. It's not good. So I have to do the emergency this. Okay, it wasn't that good. That wasn't good. I'd probably give that a 7 out of 20, surprisingly. Them two together, I don't know what happened, but inside my mouth, everything just got really dry, and that's why I had to take a sip of that. It was not good. That was not good. Okay, thank you for ruining that. I have to apologize for just, I'm so negative, I'm so tired, I'm just really tired. Had a long week, you know, it was a stressful one with personal reasons, and then on top of that, I just, at work was just so much stuff at work, and I didn't get much sleep, and I'm like, and this is the only food I'm getting. I'm probably gonna I'm gonna hibernate after this, after I eat. So I apologize if I'm not that happy and chippy like I mostly am. Yeah, I'm just tired, just long stuff. Okay, fries, finger fries and finger. Let's try it. I have a feeling this is not going to be that good just because I'm not a huge fan of fries. And I'm full as well, but let's do it. Not good. Not good. It makes everything better. Okay. Man, did I give the salad and fingers a 7? Man, I'd have to give the fries. They're also not that warm now. That definitely plays into it. Okay, fingers and fries right now, I give it a 3 out of 20. Yeah, as soon as I put both of them together and I ate them, my mouth dried up like a sponge. Like in SpongeBob, when, you know, SpongeBob the movie, when they're like in the, they're at that lamp and they're getting dried out, and SpongeBob is like, hey, Patrick, and that's what it felt like in my mouth. That is a visual representation of what happened in my mouth. Yeah, so it just wasn't good. But, yeah, okay, so the best thing, the sides weren't good. The burger, delicious. 10 out of 10. The chicken fingers and the honey mustard is also really good, but the best thing on the menu that I had today would have to be the salted caramel brownie milkshake. That is vegan, I believe. This thing, you know, is so good. Seriously, get it, try it, eat it with everything. You just can't go wrong with this. So, yeah, so that's about it. That makes me happy. Oh my goodness. That's so good. Well, thank you for joining me on this mukbang. That's about it. I hope it was fun. You know, I'll fix the comment section. I don't know how to use YouTube yet. So, on my last video I realized that you can't comment on it, and I was like, that's a bummer. How should I change this? Why should I change this? So, I'll figure that out. That's about it. Goodbye. 14.5 or over 14.5 overall. I'm gonna finish this burger. Nom nom nom. And then we're gonna move on to the I'm gonna finish this burger and then we're gonna move on to the chicken strips.